Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix keyboard does shortcuts instead of letters in Windows. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Keyboard. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand keyboards, right-click Keyboard, click Update Driver, click Browse My Computer for drivers, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select Model. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand keyboards, right-click Keyboard, click Uninstall Device, click Uninstall, click Yes to restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.